Gujarat, the global gateway to India, the state which thinks and acts much ahead of time, having a legacy of thinking and creating big. Gujarat is growing to be the global business hub. There is a special investment region planned in the first smart city of India, Dholera.
देश की पहली स्मार्ट सिटी गुजरात के धोलेरा में बनेगी। धोलेरा अहमदाबाद से करीब 100 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है। जानकारी के मुताबिक गुजरात सरकार धोलेरा को पहले इंडस्ट्रियल हब के रूप में विकसित करेगी और बाद में इसे स्मार्ट सिटी का रूप दे दिया जाएगा। धोलेरा का कुल क्षेत्रफल 903 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। इनमें से 540 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर के एरिया को पूरी तरह से डेवलप किया जाएगा। धोलेरा को स्मार्ट सिटी बनाने का काम 6 चरणों में होगा। पहले चरण में 150 किलोमीटर के इलाके को विकसित किया जाएगा। इस पर इसी साल काम भी शुरू हो जाएगा। बताया जा रहा है कि 2019 तक धोलेरा देश की पहली स्मार्ट सिटी बन जाएगी।
Dholera Smart City is going to showcase the global vision and the big dream of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
ये हमारा जो धोलेरा बनेगा, आज जो सांगाई है, उस सांगाई से 6 गुना ज्यादा बड़ा हमारा वो धोलेरा बनने वाला है।
Planned by world-renowned Halcro Group of UK, Dholera SIR is going to be a global hub of economical activity and a center of excellence supported by world-class infrastructure with excellent civic amenities and a proactive policy framework. Less than half a kilometer away from Dholera SIR is going to be another symbol of growth and efficiency, the Avirahi city. Avirahi Group, a pioneer in real estate developments for 2 decades in Mumbai, is a think tank of excellence, backed by elite panel of founders, executives and partners. By consistently achieving a predominant progress, the group has expanded its business in Gujarat by now coming up with its flagship project, Avirahi City, near Dholera SIR. Dholera Smart City is coming up as a major hub along the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor and also lies within 100 kilometers of dedicated freight corridor in central Gujarat. Located just about 4 kilometers from Dholera International Greenfield Airport, 80 kilometers from Ahmedabad city, close proximity from mega cities like Baroda, Bhavnagar, Palitana and Rajkot. Direct connectivity to Ahmedabad by the Bhavnagar 6-lane expressway and a metro railway line about 40 kilometers from proposed Dholera seaport. In close proximity to one of the largest freshwater reservoir, the proposed Kalpasar Dam, and just half a kilometer away from Dholera SIR, makes Avirahi City the destination of choice and proud ownership. With 170 acres of freshness and tranquility, Avirahi City has an excellent town planning and arterial road network with more than 1,200 luxurious, title-clear NA plots, power-packed with amenities for a rejuvenating and a glorious lifestyle, with classic restaurants, residential rooms with well-planned ergonomics, convenient shopping, community and marriage hall, clubhouse, family theatre, joggers park, senior citizen park, kids play zone, indoor and outdoor games, temple and a spellbinding lakefront development. Enjoy the nature unlimited with outdoor leisure of a swimming pool, amphitheatre, business centre, party lawn and an open garden area. Avirahi City offers you exclusive common infrastructure of street lights, robust internal road network, world-class landscaping, electricity and water connection, planned and implemented by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, Dholera SIR has started writing its success story. Avirahi city welcomes you to fulfill your dream into reality. Open the doors to a rewarding lifestyle. Step into the openness and feel the breeze. Homes that resonate with warmth and luxury without compromising on comfort. Discover a world-class living experience. It's your own world. It's Avirahi City, defining splendid living.